Hey guys, I forgot to schedule the event today. I know many of you might not be joining, but anyways, I'll stay here for like 10 minutes and see if anybody is joining. It has been a busy day for me as well. So that is the reason I forgot that I had to schedule this event. So if you guys have any questions, you can start asking me before we jump into today's session. It'll be very short session for today, 10 max 15 minutes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And if you want me to clarify anything, go ahead and ask. Just say a hi so that I know who have joined. All right, I'm just trying to, create an event on LinkedIn because most of my students or followers are from there. All right, so today I just wanted to start off with Python learning. So we said last Friday when we broke, it was with the installation of Python into your systems. So just let me know in the comments if you guys have started or at least started installing Python into your system. If so, just leave a comment saying yes so that we can just do a quick Hello World program and wrap this session off. A lot of people had asked me a few questions and I told them to join today's session, but I myself forgot to schedule the session. Let's see. So whoever is here, just drop a hi. If not, I will start off with the Python session. I just want some of you guys to join so that like this session is fruitful for somebody at least. Okay, let me just schedule an event and come back. Hi guys, good evening, good evening. Hi. I made the comments private. I'm not sure if everybody is able to view it. Let me know if you guys are able to view. At 15 p.m. to 8:25 p.m. All right. All right. Hi guys. Thank you so much for joining. I forgot to schedule today's event on LinkedIn, so I know this may be quite abrupt that I did not inform that I'll be coming, but every day around 8 to 9 p.m. I'm planning to come live so that I can answer all your questions. I know a lot of questions are coming on my LinkedIn, but I'm not able to respond to each one of those. So that is why I scheduled an event on a daily basis so that I can start addressing your queries. So if you have any doubts, just start dropping it. If not, let's quickly jump in. Where am I from? I don't know how that question is relevant. Anyways, I am currently working in Chennai. That is where my base location is. So I'm not going to say where I am from because I don't know how relevant that is now. Anyways, so any questions you guys have with respect to transforming yourself into an automation engineer, because that is basically why I started scheduling these sessions on a daily basis. And few of you guys had asked if you should start Python. So I would say if you do not know programming language at all, oh, this live is about automation transformation for engineers. Hi, Sadik. So this is for manual testers who want to transition to automation engineering. So I don't know. I work as automation architect at IBM, and this session is completely dedicated to that. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see the topic of the session today. Are you guys able to see the topic? Quick yes or no would help. All right. Let's see. So today it is going to primarily be focused on Selenium Python. So if you guys have installed Selenium Python, let me know. We can quickly begin the session. and few of you guys are replying to me on LinkedIn saying you guys have installed Python. Well and good. So I want to quickly check if you guys can do a quick print open and close bracket of hello world. I will leave that on the chat, so you guys can let me know if you are able to execute it. If not, we will debug it together. All right. Let me know if the comment is visible. Okay, so it is up. Just let me know if you guys can view it. Yeah, if you are looking for a job, yes, reach out to me on my LinkedIn profile or Insta profile, because there the messaging works better. So you can see both the links on my YouTube channel, and depending on your expertise, I can see what help I can be of to you. All right, is there Python videos enough for, is this Python? Yeah, if it is just UI and API testing, definitely it will be. IntelliJ IDEA's trial version only, right? You can go for Visual Studio Code. I would suggest Visual Studio Code because of the extension support and the flexibility that it has between Python, Java, etc. So I prefer Visual Studio Code. So if you guys want Visual Studio Code download link, or I can share a Python, URL, installation URL. So I should have done that possibly. So there you will see all the Visual Studio Code installation, etc., etc. So you can go for community version or the trial version. That would be enough. IntelliJ community version. Okay, so that helps. All right, so are you guys done with the installation, or do you guys have any issues printing this on your Python terminal? So you can either use Python terminal or your terminal within VS Code or IntelliJ. I should have mentioned about the terminal, sorry, the tool that you want to use, the IDE. So I will now drop a link. Let me see, I don't know how to drop a link here. If you guys know more about these YouTube lives, let me know. Okay. All right. Okay, fine then. So if you have any questions, let me know. This session is going to be a little short today, 5 more minutes. So you guys can quickly tell me if you guys have completed your installation. Go for Visual Studio Code if possible. And let me know if you have any questions beyond that. Just print and see if this gives you a console output of hello world. If it is throws any other error, let me know. Let's sort it out. Tomorrow or day after, I'll have an elaborate session. My work schedule is a little dense for these 2 days. All right. Any questions apart from Selenium, Python, or generically about transitioning to automation engineering? Let me know. I will start answering those. If not, we will start closing off the session. I know it is quite short today, but I just wanted to just show up for you guys because I promised I will today. All right, are you guys able to print hello world on your system? Did you guys do installation? We need to add Python extension, not needed. If you specifically want, oh yes, Python extension, and let me share you the extension. There are two extensions that you will need with respect to Python. My system is a little slow. Let me go into my VDI. Okay, so there are two. Okay, my system is a little slow, but yeah, you can go for Python and Python debugger if you want. Pylance is also good, because in future when I'm taking sessions on robot framework, you will need Pylance as well. Python, and Python debugger. You can go for these three extensions. So if you want to simply execute it, just install Python and you can run the code. Just create a .py file and run it. That should work. All right, 5 more minutes, guys. Any questions with respect to transitioning yourself into automation testing? Whoever is a manual tester as of today, let me know. I will answer those questions. All right, I know it is quite last minute and I cannot expect all of you guys to be present. All right, let me know. Any questions, guys? Okay, so 4 more minutes. Tomorrow I will make sure to schedule it I need to learn a language which is not invented yet. Ah, okay. So the session is turning fun. All right. Any other questions, guys? Okay, so with respect to Selenium Java versus Python versus JavaScript, if you do not know any programming language, I would suggest you to start with Python or JS because of the recent developments. If you are comfortable with Java, then start transitioning yourself slowly, but I would not say it has become completely obsolete. Negotiate 90 days notice period. Okay, so 90 days notice period, there are two things that you can do. One, at your own company you can speak with your manager and see if there is a buyout option in your company, or ask them if you can get it reduced to 60 days. There are some companies which will allow buyout, and whoever the company is, if the company really needs you, they will look for buying you out from your current company, so they'll pay you the buyout option. Check for buyout options. If it is there, see if you can negotiate in your current company, see if you can negotiate with the company that you're intending to join. And there are few companies who are okay with 90 days as well, especially these days with automation engineers who know GenAI as well. Companies are ready to take you for 90 days notice period as well. So learn some of GenAI stuff. Companies like EPAM, Wipro, and few other companies. Tomorrow I'll bring you a list with whichever companies are okay with 90 days. Recently, with people, the candidates who I spoke with, these two companies for sure are okay with 90 days notice period in the recent hiring phases. Any other questions, guys? 2 more minutes. All right. Any other questions? And one other thing, if your project is already coming to an end in your current organization, you can definitely ask them to release you earlier. Your manager will definitely have the authority to release you from the company before 90 days. They may need to negotiate with the HR on your behalf to do this. All right, any other questions, guys? 1 more minute for today. Tomorrow I'll make sure that the session is longer and it is informed earlier so that many of you guys can join. All right, all right. So, all right, guys, just let me know tomorrow at least if you guys have installed Python, if this print hello world is working for you. If not, we will try to figure it out tomorrow on a better session where I can share my screen and speak with you guys. All right, 30 more seconds and we will close the session for the day. Okay. And a lot of Udemy links were requested from me. I will post all those in my Instagram profile. So both it is at the automation specialist. You can join me on my Insta, and there I'll provide all the necessary resources. And if you want more information about how to learn interview questions, programming questions, I have posted 3 parts of interview questions. Every question have been worked out. Almost 100 programming questions that are being asked, executed and successfully executed. Superb, Harish. All well done, well done. Congratulations. So tomorrow what we will do is, today I would request you to check the pip installations. I'll share few commands. Since we are connected on LinkedIn, I will share a list of installations, external library installations like in Selenium, Java, since you know Java, the pom.xml, right, where we have all the dependencies listed. So similar to that, here in Python, we need to install all these, okay? So there is a command called pip space install space Selenium, do that. And if needed, later we will do request library, because for now I'm not speaking of API testing, but when we come to that, we will start installing request library as well. But for now, just do pip space install space Selenium on your terminal. So wherever you saw hello world getting printed, just paste this command, pip space install space Selenium, and your Selenium library will get installed. And after that, try if you are able to import it. Just do import space Selenium. Okay, just see if that is working without any errors, which means successful. Hi Hari, how are you? I'm almost going to end the session. It is a very quick session today because it's a little tight schedule for me at work as well. whatever you discuss today, you can make a note and share in day one running notes or something for tracking or revision. That'll be easy. Okay, perfect, Harish. I will do that. Let me do one thing. Let me track it on my Instagram. That is better, because in one place and one post I can do it, or I can say just day one what we did. All right. Because YouTube, I am still to organize everything. Srinidhi, I'm also good. Hari, it's been a very long time since I've been active on LinkedIn. Sorry, on YouTube. I am just making it a practice that I show up for you guys better. Because previously I was doing LinkedIn. Okay, all right, let's keep that off the topic. So, in LinkedIn, the problem is that they took off the audio events, so because of which I'm not able to help you guys on a daily basis. So that is why I'm showing up on YouTube. All right. Okay, so I'm closing off the session now. Let's speak tomorrow. Let me know how your installation goes, how Python is getting executed, and everything else that is, coming up with. Hi, good evening. Sorry, I'm closing off the session today. It's a really hectic schedule at my work and my home, so I need to take off right now. Tomorrow we will definitely discuss more about Python installation, and I'm looking to see more such responses like I do from Harish today. Let's see if you guys are able to execute Python, if the pip space install space selenium command worked well for you. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. We will meet tomorrow again. Thank you. Good night. Keep practicing. Automation is definitely easy and we will get you there. All right. Good night, guys. Bye.